So now I'm just going to go ahead and contour. I'm going to be using Tarte Shapetape in the color Tan and Tan Sand. I look crazy right now, but it's all gonna work out. Now I'm going to contour with, well, cream contour with the Anastasia Cream Contour Kit in the color medium, and I'm going to be using chocolate. So tiny, and I'm just over here trying to contour with it or whatever I think I'm doing with it, and yeah. Girl, this is my first video, and I really haven't talked much. Now to set my highlight, I'm going to take the Mercier translucent powder, Tarte's contour palette with Makeup Shayla. I'm going to be using the contour colors. This one. I'm going to spray my face. So for the eyes, we're going to take the Burgundy palette by Kylie, and we're going to take a transition shade, which is going to be Brick. Freelance this. Probably do like a red smoky eye. That's what I'm kind of digging right now. Just going back and forth with this, trying to build up the transition shade, also just bringing it down a little bit though. I'll take the Morphe E14 brush, and I'm going to go in with this red shade called Burgundy in the middle, and I'm going to just apply that to the whole lid. This. And I'm going to like put that in the crease, in the V corner of. Then for the highlight, the most important parts. My Max Fix Plus spray, and spray my highlighting brush, damp it off. It really didn't show up, but I'm going to go in with NYX Cosmetics matte lip liner in the color Club Hopper. Then I'm going to go in with Kylie's Velvet in the color Bear. Now I'm going to do my hair, and then I'll be back. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Get me out there. I'll see you guys later. See ya.